guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Okay, how now they? My schedule they very tight. Let me pass this message to Mama Joy. Mama Joy, I hate your nonsense. I hate your nonsense. And from they talk so. I hate your nonsense. You don't have no right to come to this space to come give command to anybody. When you test somebody, say not give you command. Say you go come saga person. You go feel saga. Mama Joy, be careful if you don't respect your old age. Me, I just respect myself. Now I be safe, I talk to una small, I go live una. Mama Joy, I dey give you Chinese warning. Respect your old age. For crying out aloud. Respect your old age. What the hell are you saying? From which school of thought? You dreamer, you thinker, you want to impart her. Say now you be the Odunga, now you be Adolf Hitler. You go feel saga. You want saga. You don't see saga. Person they respect himself. So make it keep quiet. May not talk to all those old women when they don't know themselves. Every time you come on air, they talk say, who you don't saga? Who your saga don't help? The first thing remain that you're not a competent person. Don't let me drop my verse come out again, no. Don't let me verse come out again, no. I too get things to do for hand. What do you mean? Onto what's right. You are saying if you will not get right to tell you say who you go whatever stop saga not to talk about, then you they come say you they give command as the leadership of those cyberspace who bestowed authority on you. I never knew. Where for the thing what is good for the goose is not equally good for you. See your confusion. Don't let me come show how foolish you are to the world. When I go to talk, they fool myself. We no know they talk all because of the fine viewers, or because of 3,000 rapper, 10,000 rapper, no standard, no principle. Now we talk go here, talk go left, talk go right. Nothing is real anymore. You cannot stand on the firm lane. What you first start before, you not finish up. Because the pound go buy 3,000 naira rapper, who go donate, who go buy, can't go dash people. Life not be about that. Life is about principle. Stand for what is firm and what is right. Don't make that mistake. Oh, if you let me bust out again, I go bust out for your sake. What is wrong with you? What do you mean? Who you the command for here? You the talk somebody not command you. You the give command. Say make nobody call J-boy. This man, Papa Wahala don't come and say, make they come. He go pay for DNA. I want to talk what compromise. Are you coming out to come give command as who? When they say nobody buy Wi-Fi for you, nobody tell you, nobody bring you come social media. Now you bring me come social media. Now you go tell me what I go talk about. Tomorrow morning if I come talk about J-boy, do your worst. Can you tell me what to think in my head? Are you crazy? Are you stupid? What's wrong with you? When they come and they mat every morning, go your work, go clean your hotel. Let the cyberspace get peace. For crying out loud. Who are you? For crying out loud. Who will you be? You want me to get saga for your mama bearer? Make saga you they hit you. As you bear saga they hit you continuously. They say they can't for a beer review. I'm not speaking on behalf of a beer review. You not get your saga, they do nothing. So can you keep quiet? Close your mouth and keep your dumb face, go to your cleaning job and come back. Not because they give command to people. Say anybody will talk about J-boy. Where were you when they talk about Mama Star? Where your so-called ally, what you want to call ally with, they commit havoc. Because you never talk to them, then they give people command. As what? As who? Who bestowed that right upon you? As the illustrator you be? That you cannot read, that you cannot spell your name? You give command to literate and educated people? Share this to Mama Joy. Make you hear word. If you never hear word, you go hear word. By fire, by thunder. You leave her for some time, make you just what they go. They say he don't achieve, he can become commander, Jilidala, whatever. But they buy cow for her for burial. Because they give command. You go see how you hand go touch you this time around. Now that's the thing you go fit talk to. Now the thing you go fit talk to. Can you talk to me? I can't listen to you. They're mad. You are very stupid. For that command you give, go back in shame. If you do anything, I'll come back and beat you this night. How can you just come out? Hey, nobody will talk. J-boy, Papa Wahala. You don't come collect your code there. You want to say that you be a dunga. Nobody can talk to you. You go see a hand go fail you this time around. They mad. Go sleep. If I hear that word for your mouth again, you have done already. You have finished. Okay. Mama Joy, this is not Jomofuma. I want to start with you today. Come try me. J-boy, my son. Where is your papa? Papa Wahala bin Ambrose. See children with their papa. See their mothers. Actually, where is the father of J-boy? I dey ask. I demand as an innocent man to the call. I demand for it. Mama Joy, call Saga me. I go kill you. Make I come beat you. Water. When the wrath of God strike you dead. You won't die, Mama Joy. Play that music. Let me hear. Louder. Mama Joy won't die. Who they punish you, Mama Joy? Mad illiterate from the pit of hell. No worry. Who the for born you, Mama Joy? Who die? You want make me tell that your mama brother make they turn upside down for you? You want see war for Bini for your mama burial? Come back and talk again. You so that go tell that Bini self. Now for Lagos, I will cramp you, tie your leg for Lagos. Who die, Mama Joy? They come they talk with your 2 mark of face. Come they rake. You go Saga. Who you will feel Saga? Who you want Saga? You just say me I believe in Saga. I will just give you warning. Go do better now. But you see whether the better will go on. They mad. After your people insulted me, call my daughter. You not be talk put as a mother. And J-boy you want to save. So we will not get children. My own daughter not be picky. My own daughter is not a child. Double standard idiotic Mama Joy. May will betide you a billion times. My own daughter will pit toilet humiliate. It's not a child. May will betide you. Waka give command. You plus your command is not and void. You command. You go to save your head. Not be save J-boy. You go to save your head for all the atrocities you don't command. When you don't commit to earth. Mega come they find you. You know what you lie for Mega come head over the years? When you lie, if they didn't get what will find you. Where I can't say forgive you. You see they talk. Never go hide. You don't know enemy, so you don't create. They talk, they record that your stupid parlor without your dirty chair where you they rap before. Damn, Mama Joy, can't keep quiet. I hear they look you. You they mad? Who they command for this space? You are called Rick because of cow. Buy for you. Ragino Tata buy for you. You want call Rick say you go dunga. So that cow will not go kill you for Bini. Whether you come back from Bini, let's see this time around. You are mad. The craze. Never will you offend. Will it take many years to offend Mega Comrade? Come out to your dirty face. If they didn't get, we'll look for many years. We'll still forgive you. You still commit evil. Then they give command. When your stupid puppies so they go to call me, a father will not do nothing to my own child that I trained from 9 years to how many years today? They talk say nobody will talk to that idiot called J-boy. It's an idiot before many days. let his mother go prove her. Not be the one go swear for a reality show. Not that one. That's not counting. That's how stupid you people are. A reality come and say that swear. Why not put her for a page? They can't say don't swear. You know, see how you stupid. Why actually not put that swear for a show for our own page? Why? Now, corner says to be women, double standard idiotic women. Never best one like this or this why. They say I don't know what they do. You the mad Mama Joy. Damn Mama Joy. Can't talk him again. Can't talk him again. Make her start with J-Boy tomorrow morning. We'll go punish J-Boy. We'll go punish Atoari. We'll go. Why are you not come across and say, make do the needful? Make go do DNA. You come and say you want to defend. Now you go fit beat everybody. Let's see what you go fit do. Let's see. Whether you be USA, whether you be Russia, but you not be USA, you not be Russia. You don't feel reach Ukraine. You are just a stupid, illiterate woman that you are. Because you don't get sense. There. Idiot. Can't just leave you they look on it. Damn Mama Joy. Stupid woman. Do any account start without your tape. When you do video, you keep quiet for 10 minutes before you talk. Me, I once I start my video, now I will beat you. Go Benin again. If you go fit come back again. I challenge you. Maybe show that native doctor a reality that the same thing. You prepare that your husband, your so-called husband. When you talk so you get two husbands for. Where you the wreck? Are you mad? Why are you fooling? Who you the fool? Go Benin. There you see. Go Benin. Whether that clothes they donate for you, that you go feel wear. But what of God strike you dead.